Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to purge cache for website in Cloudflare. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Cloudflare and we are in domain. Now you see domain and then you can select overview. Now you see all domain we have. So we are going to purge cache. Now you see three dots. So click on it. And then you see configure caching, so click on it. So we are in caching configuration, purge cache. Now you see custom page, purge everything, so you can select option according to requirement. First we select custom purge. Now you see purge by URL, hostname, tag, prefix, so you can select option. If we select URL, then you can add URL. Purge asset in the Cloudflare cache that match the URL, so you can select option according to requirement. Now close, but we are going to purge everything. Now click on it. Confirm purge everything. Purge all cache files. Purging your cache may slow your website temporarily. So click on it. Now you see purge request successfully received. Changes should take effect in less than 5 seconds. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.